Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday, February 26th, 2026. We're at the Dobbin House, and you hear that big motor. That is the truck of C.E. Williams, who is here with their large machinery. And if I go over this way, then I can show you why this big truck and all the equipment is here. Now we're on Steinway Avenue. This is our Lincoln building that used to be a bed and breakfast, and hopefully we'll restore it and make it a bed and breakfast again. Here is what we call the Remembrance House. And if I walk down here between the two, I come to, first of all, a little workshop that we use for the Dobbin House. And then over here you can see the large machine that will be doing some work here today. Over here is this really ugly block garage that has definitely seen better days. We'll take a good look right now, because at the end of the day, this building will be gone. We are going to tear it down, and there'll just be a slab of cement. And this is part of our 250th birthday celebration of the Dobbin House, where we're going to be making a few changes, which we'll be talking about a little bit later. So during the day, I will post about the men and the work that they're doing. Right now they're just getting set up to bring the crane in so that they can take down this ugly block garage. So stay tuned for more updates during the day. Okay, bye-bye.